Okay, everyone, good morning and welcome to today's analysis on Friday, the 2nd of October. Interesting morning. Donald Trump has been confirmed to have caught coronavirus and he is now in quarantine, which is going to put some uncertainty around the US election because investors are now going to have to assess what happens if Donald Trump can no longer be on the ballot. What happens if Michael Pence has to take his place? What does this mean for the election? And more importantly, what does this mean for the stimulus package that the House are trying to pass between the Democrats and the Republicans? So on the news, we've seen equity markets sell off. This is the European stock market. We've seen initial selling in European equities. We did see initial selling in the German stock market, for an example. We did see some selling in the UK markets as well on the news. And of course, we've seen oil prices dip lower on the news also. So we know the US dollar and the Japanese yen are safe haven currencies. And we know the commodity currencies that trade in line with equities are going to be affected. So we've seen the Australian dollar weaken against the Japanese yen on the news. Australian dollar has weakened against the US dollar as well. Of course, the Canadian dollar has weakened against the Japanese yen also, as oil prices have dipped to the downside. Same could be said for the Norwegian krona, although some of the losses have been recovered. And the Russian ruble also under selling pressure, which has actually been playing out for a while. Remember, Russia's coming under heavy selling pressure for the currency because a Joe Biden win in the election is seen as negative for Russia because he'll be more harsh on the Russian administration, and more sanctions are likely after the poisoning of the opposition leader to what's his name, Putin. So that's what we're seeing in the markets at the moment, traders. So of course we've seen the US dollar strengthen. If we look at the DXY, the dollar index, what initially did pop higher has kind of popped back now at the moment. But we also seen the Japanese yen, as we showed you, strengthen in early morning trade. So today is a key day for Brexit because they said by the end of the week they want to see if the UK and EU negotiators could maybe get a breakthrough by Friday towards some outline of a deal that they could thrash out in the next couple of weeks. So let's see how that plays out today. We do have US jobs data also coming out today at around 1:30 p.m., which will be closely watched by the market to see how quickly the US labor market is recovering. And that's a key driver for the US economy. So that's important for us to watch also in the market. So guys, keep you guys updated. That's what we're seeing this morning. Trump took coronavirus. Let's see how markets digest this news.